So hi guys, I am Srikanth and you are watching Scratch Chemistry. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the oxidation of alcohol. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास. So oxidation of alcohol, what do we mean by oxidation? पहला क्वेश्चन आपसे है, what do we mean by oxidation? So I am telling oxidation is addition of oxygen or any, according to NCERT book, oxidation is addition of oxygen or any electronegative element. Oxygen is a electronegative element or any electronegative element, okay, or other way we can say removal of electron or hydrogen, okay, H2, hydrogen a simple H. So addition of oxygen or any electronegative element or removal of electron or hydrogen is known as oxidation, okay. So alcohol की oxidation होगा, तो alcohol for general I am writing for general, okay. Alcohol. So let us start in taking by an alkane, okay, 1 degree carbon alkane. Let this is CH3CH2 and this carbon CH3CH3, this carbon is 1 degree carbon, as this carbon attached to only one CH3 group. 1 degree alkane, to if you oxidize 1 degree alkane, this is symbol of oxidation, O bracket, square bracket. So if you oxidize 1 degree carbon or alkane, it will form what? 1 degree alcohol. It will form 1 degree alcohol. This is 1 degree alcohol or not? This carbon atom which attached to the functional group OH, it get attached to only one carbon atom, only one methyl group. That is why it is 1 degree alcohol. So 1 degree carbon gives 1 degree alcohol by oxidation. So again, if you oxidize the 1 degree alcohol, just mark here the carbon attached to this hydroxyl group containing 2 hydrogen, and these 2 hydrogen are called as alpha hydrogen, okay. So in 1 degree alcohols there are 2 alpha hydrogen, okay, and this carbon is alpha carbon obviously. If you further oxidize it, what will happen? It will form an aldehyde, okay, it will form an aldehyde, okay. So this aldehyde, if further oxidize this aldehyde in presence of water or in presence of any alkaline solution means OH minus, okay, OH minus, any alkaline solution or any severe oxidation condition. So aldehyde again further oxidized to what? Acid, carboxylic acid. Got it? So how oxidation process takes place here? Just look here, there is no oxygen, here is addition of oxygen takes place. There is no oxygen, but in alcohol there is one oxygen, okay. So these oxidizing agents we are using, in every step we are using different oxidizing agents. So what are those oxidizing agents? We will discuss those in a bit later. So in the first step here you can see the oxygen is added to this alkane to formation of alcohol, okay. Here you can see addition of oxygen according to definition of oxidation. So in this step, okay, 1O, there is no addition of extra oxygen. There is what happen? Removal of hydrogen, you can say. So removal of a hydrogen is otherwise known as what? Oxidation. I have just discussed it before. So removal of hydrogen, okay. In the next step you can see here, there before it have only one oxygen. After oxidation it has two oxygens. So again addition of oxygen takes place. That is why these 3 steps are oxidation steps, okay. So this is for 1 degree carbon. Let us suppose we have 2 degree carbon, CH3CH2. This carbon is known as 2 degree carbon, as this carbon attached to 2 methyl group or 2 carbon center, okay. If you oxidized, what it will form? It will form CH3OH, okay. This will form an 2 degree alcohol, okay. This is 1 degree alcohol, similar this is 2 degree alcohol, carbon atom attached to 2 carbon centers, okay. Again if you oxidize this 2 degree alcohol, it will form what? It will form one ketone. What it will form? It will form one, this is structure of ketone. So this is form one ketone. If we further oxidized it, okay, it will not form any product on normal conditions. So similarly for 3 degree carbon you have to check. So for 3 degree carbon attached to 3 CH3 groups. Okay, all of you understand? This is 3 degree carbon. Okay, to 3 degree carbon if you oxidized, it will form 3 degree alcohol. Carbon atom attached to 3 carbon atoms, which also got attached to one functional group OH here. So it is 3 degree alcohol, not 3 degree carbon. This is alcohol. Okay, so after if you oxidize to this 3 degree alcohol, okay, in normal condition the reaction will not proceed. There is no product formation takes place. Okay, so these are the basic reaction of 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. Okay, and their respective products. So सारे बेसिक रिएक्शन हमने पढ़ लिया है अभी चलिए अल्कोहल की ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस स्टडी करते हैं, मीन्स इट्स मैकेनिज्म एंड सिंथेटिक पाथवे बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट्स. Okay, so fast oxidizing agent is by using PCC. What do you mean by PCC? Pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, so what do you mean by oxidizing agent? Fast oxidizing agents are those agents which will oxidize in a reaction, which will the compound or agent which will oxidize other compound and get reduced by itself. Okay, those compounds are known as oxidizing agents. Okay, here oxidizing agents, what you are using? PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. What is the structure of pyridinium chlorochromate? Pyridinium, this is pyridine. If attached to hydrogen, then is positive charge over nitrogen, 4 valence nitrogen, positive charge. This is pyridinium ion, pyridinium chlorochromate, chromium. Okay, chromate ion O minus here, plus ion pair, chlorochromate, one chlorine group is here. Okay, this is pyridinium chlorochromate. You can write it here in positive symbol or negative attached to this positive, so the van der Waals attraction. So this is pyridinium chlorochromate structure. So by using PCC, what happened to different alcohols, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols. So let us study. So पहले लिखो कि प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. ओके, प्राइमरी अल्कोहल oxidized, primary alcohol oxidized to what? Primary alcohol oxidized to aldehyde. What? Primary alcohol oxidized to aldehyde. So primary alcohol, what is the primary alcohol? CH3, CH2, OH. Also this in skeletal form we can write it as this. Also this is CH3, this is CH2, this is OH. Okay, in the next I will write it as this. Okay, skeletal form. So this is 1 degree alcohol. If you oxidized to this alcohol, what will fall? 1 aldehyde, and this aldehyde plus, okay, oxidized in presence of PCC. You can take any solvent here. Let us suppose take DCM, dichloromethylene, means CH2Cl2. This is dichloromethylene. PCC in presence of solvent DCM. Okay, so PCC, this is structure of PCC, and the remaining part will be CrOOH plus, this is the remaining byproduct form in the reaction. Okay, this is nitrogen. Okay, is it visible? Okay, so and chlorine minus. Okay, cool. So you can see here chromium is how many oxidation state? Chromium's oxidation state is +6 here. Okay, and here after oxidizing the alcohols, chromium get reduced to oxidation number +4 here. Okay, you can check. Okay, from +6 to +4. Okay, so chromium get reduced by itself and oxidize the compound here, alcohol. That is why it is known as oxidizing agent. Okay, got it? So reaction without mechanism is not chemistry. So what is the mechanism of this? I am drawing this side. Mechanism Okay, so primary alcohol, this is primary alcohol, CH3CH2OH. Okay, to this if you will give shear Cl O minus and O minus here plus nitrogen, pyridinium ion H plus. Okay, so this oxidizing agent PCC we are giving. So what happened in the first step? In the first step, oxygen lone pair is nucleophile. The lone pair of or non-bonded electron of oxygen attract to this chromium, and this bond moves over to oxygen as O minus. So what it will form? It will form O as oxygenate donates its electron pair, then a positive charge over oxygen. Okay, next oxygen attached to chromium, double bond O minus. Here oxygen, negative charge over oxygen, this bond moves to over oxygen. So here is chlorine and O minus, here is nitrogen as pyridinium ion. Okay, so in the next step what will happen in the next step? Here ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट है, एंड दिस कंपाउंड इज नॉट स्टेबल बिकॉज द पॉजिटिव चार्ज ओवर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट इज नॉट स्टेबल. सो ऑक्सीजन क्या करेगा? दिस बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, ऑक्सीजन विल टेक दिस OH बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टुवर्ड्स itself. Okay, so how? If the negative charge here, you can see the negative charge here. Okay, it will take the hydrogen and this bond moves over to oxygen. Got it? So what will happen? It will form O, shear, double bond O, OH, oxygen takes the hydrogen, then OH, here O minus, here Cl and pyridinium ion as in the solution. Okay, got it? So अगला स्टेप में क्या होगा? अगला स्टेप में okay, so before I have told you the which hydrogen is alpha hydrogen. In 1 degree alcohol there are 2 alpha hydrogen, and these 2 alpha hydrogen these hydrogens plays important role in oxidation process. So in the next step, so oxygen negative here, it will take the hydrogen from here, one of the hydrogen will be taken by this O minus, and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond, form carbon oxygen double bond. Okay, after that, so and this bond moves over to chromium and chlorine group leaves here. Okay, so what will happen here? It will form one H is attached here, C double bond O. Okay, plus chromium double bond O, OH, O minus takes the hydrogen, then OH here, and plus pyridine H and Cl minus is get attached to here. Okay, as ionic pair you can write it, Cl minus. Okay, so this is here chromium oxidation is +4, from +6 to +4. Okay, chromium get reduced by itself by oxidizing alcohol here to aldehyde. So this is all about the mechanism of PCC to 1 degree alcohol. In the second point you can write, this is in case of primary alcohol. In what happens to secondary alcohol? Right, secondary alcohol oxidized to ketone. What? Secondary alcohol oxidized to ketone. How? Secondary alcohol structure in skeletal form. This is secondary alcohol structures. It is this is CH. Okay, to this carbon one hydrogen only. This hydrogen is known as alpha hydrogen, and alpha hydrogen plays the important role in oxidation process. I am saying it again and again because it has some importance in the oxidation process. This is alpha hydrogen, one alpha hydrogen. There are in primary alcohol there are 2 alpha hydrogens. In secondary alcohol there is 1 alpha hydrogens. Okay, and this is secondary alcohol, if you know. Okay, this carbon atom attached to 2 CH3 group here. So if you oxidized in PCC, the same as solvent, what it will form? It will form a ketone, CH3 CO CH3, and remaining part chromium, you can write chromium plus OH H2CrO3. Okay, and pyridinium salt NaCl minus. Okay, so secondary alcohol when oxidized by using PCC oxidizing agent we will get what? Ketone. So what is the mechanism again? same mechanism, similar mechanism. Okay, similar mechanism attached to OH. Okay, if oxidized, similar mechanism you can write also. I am repeating. Cl, there is pyridinium, I am not writing here. So oxygen again attached to similar mechanism just, and this one moves over to oxygen. This will form O. Oxygen do not share electron pair, so positive charge over oxygen attached to chromium, double bond O minus, Cl. Okay, in the next step oxygen minus takes the hydrogen here. This bond moves over to electron deficient oxygen atom. Okay, what it will form? O shear, double bond OH, Cl, O minus. Next step में this step is always important. There is alpha hydrogen I am saying alpha hydrogen. There is only one alpha hydrogen attached to 2-degree alcohol. So at the next step, this step is important. Okay, all of you see the mechanism. The O minus takes the hydrogen here, and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, and here this bond moves over to chromium, and chlorine group leaves and taken by pyridinium ion. So what it will form? It will form one ketone, CH3 C double bond ketone, plus remaining part what you have written here, Cr double bond OH plus pyridinium Cl minus. Okay, got it? Okay, so secondary alcohol, when it oxidized, it forms ketone. So you can write it as, in case of tertiary alcohol do not oxidize by using PCC as oxidizing agent. Why tertiary alcohol is not oxidizing by using oxidizing agent? Because if you look the structure of tertiary alcohol, this is the structure of tertiary alcohol. This carbon atom attached to 3 CH3 group or 3 carbon center. That is why it is 3-degree alcohol. Okay, you can see there is no carbon is tetravalence 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no alpha hydrogen attached to this alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon. To this alpha carbon there is no alpha hydrogen attached. As it not contain any alpha hydrogen, you can check the reaction. PCC, okay, Cr, C double bond O minus Cl, and pyridinium ion is here, you can write. So to this species, when oxygen lone pair attack to chromium and this bond moves over to oxygen, and OH positive and chromium, O double bond O negative, O minus Cl. Okay, so in the next step, O minus takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to oxygen. It forms O shear double bond O Cl, O minus OH. So next step में क्या हो रहा था? The O minus takes the hydrogen. Okay, O minus takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, and this chromium group releases. But in this case you can see here is no alpha hydrogen. In tertiary alcohol there is no alpha hydrogen. So that is why after this step the reaction will not proceed. Okay, at this step the reaction will stop and it will follow the reverse path. So this reaction, that is why oxidation of tertiary alcohol is not possible by using PCC. Okay, got it? So coming to the second method for oxidation of alcohol, that is by using the oxidizing agent KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4, okay. So alkaline KMnO4 here behaves as a oxidizing agent. So alkyl KMnO4 structure, manganese O4, 1, 2, 3, 4, O minus, and K plus potassium ion here. So manganese oxidation state in this compound is what? Here is +7. Okay, +7. And alkaline KMnO4. Alkaline means there is basic solution, means basic, or alkaline means the presence of NaOH or KOH or any OH minus as basic. Okay, let us try oxidation of different alcohols. Okay, so primary alcohols, what happens to primary alcohols? Primary alcohols oxidized to aldehyde. Primary alcohol oxidized to aldehyde, which further oxidized to, which further are again oxidized, which further again oxidized to, which further oxidized to कार्बोजिलिक एसिड. ओके, सो फाइनली अगर प्राइमरी अल्कोहल ऑक्सीडाइज्ड होगा ये क्या प्रोडक्ट देगा? कार्बोजिलिक एसिड. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मैकेनिज्म? प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, डायरेक्ट आई एम राइटिंग द मैकेनिज्म. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, so this is structure of primary alcohol, CH3 CH2OH primary alcohol. To this primary alcohol, if you give oxidizing agent KMnO4, manganese attached to double bond O minus, K plus, potassium permanganate. Okay, so potassium permanganate, similar step like before we have discussed. So O oxygen lone pair attached to manganese, the bond moves over to oxygen, it will form O as oxygen donates its electron pair, then a positive charge over oxygen and is attached to manganese. Okay, double bond O, O minus here attached O minus, K plus. Okay, got it? And the positive charge over oxygen is not stable, so it will takes the bond electron, OH bond electrons towards itself. So what happens in the next step? The O minus takes the hydrogen, okay, and this bond moves over to oxygen. What it will form? It will form O attached to manganese, attached to carbonyl, oxygen takes the hydrogen, so OH, here is O minus, K plus. So सारे खेल किस में है? Alpha hydrogen. Here there are 2 alpha hydrogen, so this step is important. Then O minus takes the one of the alpha hydrogen to, okay, this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, and this bond moves over to manganese. So what it will form? It will form, you can see one hydrogen here, this is CH3, one hydrogen here, and C double bond O takes formation C double bond O. Okay, next this is CH3, you can write this is aldehyde, plus what is the remaining part? Manganese. Remaining part you can write it as manganese double bond O, okay, OH, O minus, K plus. Okay, got it? This is the product in the first oxidation step. In the next oxidation, if you will oxidize it further, what happen? Here we are using alkaline KMnO4, means there is presence of any alkaline solution, means either NaOH, KOH, okay, or any OH minus simple. For basic you can donate as OH minus, alkaline solution. So OH minus will further attack to, this is nucleophile, it will attack to electrophilic carbon center in carbonyl group. So this bond moves over to oxygen. What will have form? CH3 H, O minus, and here is OH. Okay, next step में क्या होगा? यहाँ पर O माइनस और यहाँ नेगेटिव, अगर NaOH लेंगे तो O माइनस Na प्लस रहेगा. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा? यहाँ पर देखो, अभी सॉल्यूशन में हमारा क्या है? दिस कंपाउंड. तो इट विल अगेन प्लेज मैंगनीज. KMnO4 is a good oxidizing agent, very severe oxidizing agent. O minus, K plus. Okay, this part. So what happened? Again the O minus here. Okay, again the O minus here attack to this manganese. Okay, O minus attack to this manganese. Okay, and this bond moves over to oxygen. What will happen? It will form CH3 H, OH, oxygen, attack to manganese. Here is O minus, negative charge, double bond O, OH, O minus, K plus. Okay, this is that intermediate. So in the next step क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट स्टेप में नेक्स्ट स्टेप में there is only one alpha hydrogen now. Okay, so this is alpha hydrogen, this is alpha carbon, this is alpha hydrogen. It will be taken by O minus here. O minus takes the hydrogen here. Okay, and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, and this bond moves over to manganese. Okay, so what it will form? I'm sorry, this O minus negative. Okay, not the here O minus attached to K plus. Okay, this O minus is naked here, so O minus will takes the hydrogen from here, and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond. This bond moves over to manganese. So here CH3 double bond, it will form C double bond O, then here is OH. This is carboxylic acid. CH3 double bond O attached to OH, carboxylic acid, and remaining part manganese double bond O minus takes the hydrogen, then OH, here is another OH, and here is O minus K plus, and you can see here is manganese in +5 oxidation state. Before manganese in KMnO4, manganese in +7 oxidation state. After oxidizing alcohol, it get reduced to +5 oxidation state, so it behaves it as a oxidizing agent. So this is the pathway of oxidation of primary alcohols to carboxylic acid through the formation of aldehyde. Similarly, secondary alcohol, write with me, secondary alcohol oxidized to what? Ketone. Secondary alcohol oxidized to ketone, which do not further oxidize to any carboxylic acid. So ketone is the final product by oxidizing secondary alcohol by using oxidizing agent alkaline KMnO4. What is the mechanism? Secondary alcohol structure of secondary, this is secondary alcohol, this is CH attached only one hydrogen, this is known as alpha hydrogen, single alpha hydrogen. So here is CH3 CHOH, this is 2 degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. If you oxidized by using KMnO4, similar mechanism, I am writing it fast, O minus double bond O K plus. Okay, this is KMnO4. Similar mechanism, O lone pair of oxygen attached to manganese, then oxygen attached to manganese. Here when attacked to manganese, one of the bond moves over to oxygen O minus. So here double bond O minus K plus, here O minus. Next step में this is only one alpha hydrogen there is in secondary alcohol. What happens in the next step? In the first step, after here is OH positive, as oxygen donates its electron pair, then there is positive charge over oxygen and OH. So next step में क्या होगा? O minus take the hydrogen and this bond moves over to electron deficient oxygen atom. So formation of here is hydrogen, alpha hydrogen O, manganese double bond O, O minus K plus, and here is OH. Okay, got it? Next time में क्या होगा? This O minus takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to carbon oxygen single bond to form carbon oxygen double bond, and here manganese group releases. So what happens? It will form one. This is ketone structure. Here is CH3 you can write. This is the structure of ketone. Okay, so secondary alcohol when oxidized in presence of oxidizing agent alkaline KMnO4, it forms ketone. If you further try to oxidize to ketone by alkaline KMnO4 by using any base OH minus, चलिए ट्राई करते हैं क्या होता है. ये तो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट मैंने बता दिया, लेकिन कैसे हम प्रूव करेंगे इसको? तो थ्रो मैकेनिज्म, तो अगर it will O minus attack to OH minus attack to this carbonyl center and this bond moves over to CH3 oxygen O minus OH. Next step में manganese, remaining part of manganese what I have left, OH. Okay, so next step में O minus attack to manganese and this bond moves over to oxygen and CH3 OH, and this this oxygen attached to manganese double bond O, here O minus OH O minus K plus. So next step में क्या होता था? अगर यहाँ पर एक अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता तो this alpha hydrogen will be taken by O minus, then there will formation of carboxylic acid in case of 1 degree alcohol. okay, but here you can see there is no alpha hydrogen present to this carbon. Okay, carbon is already tetravalent 1 2 3 4. okay, there is no alpha hydrogen, so सारे खेल किस में है, alpha hydrogen में. So in this step there is no alpha hydrogen, so the reaction will not proceed for further. So what is the final product we have got? This is ketone. Okay, all of you got it. So similarly, this is secondary alcohol. If you oxidize tertiary alcohol, okay, if you oxidize tertiary alcohol, what happen? Tertiary alcohol, right? Tertiary alcohol do not oxidized, okay, do not oxidized by alkaline KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4. Okay, why? The reason is simple. There is no alpha hydrogen in tertiary alcohols, which will be taken by O minus. This is structure of tertiary alcohol. Here is, you can say carbon is already tetravalent. There is no alpha hydrogen attached to this alpha carbon. That is why it will not perform oxidation step by using alkaline KMnO4. Let us try alkaline KMnO4. मेकानिज्म करोगे तो डाउट सारे क्लियर हो गए. क्यों नहीं, वो रीजन सारे आ जाएगा. O माइनस K प्लस डबल बॉन्ड O. ओके, पहला स्टेप में अटैक किया O माइनस, सो ऑक्सीजन डोनेट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉजिटिव चार्ज ओवर ऑक्सीजन अटैच टू मैंगनीज, डबल बॉन्ड O. ओके, O माइनस हियर and here is double, and when attack to manganese one bond moves over to oxygen, O minus. okay, here is K plus. next step में क्या होगा, O minus takes the hydrogen and this bond moves over to oxygen, so O manganese double bond O minus K plus. okay, O and H. so next step में always क्या होता है, this alpha hydrogen is taken by the O minus, then formation of either aldehyde or ketone or any further step. So here carbon is already tetravalent. Okay, so there is no alpha hydrogen to this alpha carbon, so the reaction will not proceed further. So that is why tertiary alcohol do not oxidize by alkaline KMnO4. But there is certain exception. Okay, there is certain exception, you can say. If instead of alkaline KMnO4, if we use hot KMnO4, you can hot KMnO4 instead of alkaline KMnO4. if you use hot KMnO4, what will happen, the tertiary alcohol, okay, it will, by using hot KMnO4, this is exception. In the first step it will dehydration occur. In the first step dehydration occurs to tertiary alcohol to form one alkene. Okay, so alkene you can write it as CH3 CS double bond CH2, and this reaction is not usual reaction, unusual reaction. So in the next step, if you oxidize this by using KMnO4, hot KMnO4, I am repeating hot KMnO4. So what will happen? It will oxidize to form 2 moles of carboxylic acid. Okay, and this reaction is unusual, and the reaction pathway is not still understable. Okay.